I'm back, and it's StefShutterTV.
Yeah, big up StefShutter. StefShutterTv, baby!
And we're shooting on something different today. Oh, there's my sunlight. Let's change this. See, as you know, I shoot in full manual mode, so when the sun go, I gotta adapt to the sun. How's that? That look good? Oh gosh, I gotta get a shave. But yeah, so I'm in Virginia now. I was in Turks and Caicos. I've been in Virginia for a while, but I haven't had the time to make a proper vlog. So let's do it. I got a whole line behind me waiting to get gas. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's go to Oceanfront. Let's do that. Let's go check out Oceanfront. See what's going on. So something crazy just happened. I'm down here on Oceanfront and I got a parking spot. And it's only a block away from the ocean. Check that out. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's right up there somewhere. So now we're gonna see what kind of fun we could get into. Okay, we're not gonna get into any fun. I'm just gonna show y'all a little bit of footage and what it looked like down at the oceanfront.
Yo, this ain't stopping.
See those clouds? Look at that.
Yo, this ain't stopping.
It's amazing. Yeah, it's pretty nice when you come down here. So, you know,